Hello, my name is Joe from Artistech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add posts onto your Artistech WordPress website. By adding posts, what I mean is whatever you used your blog feature of your website for, whether it was a news feed or a blog or a panel to show your customer reviews, I'm going to show you how to add an element to that or a post. So, as you can see, what the post is made of is it's a title. You can comment on it. It's a date when it was posted, and then it's the actual post itself. And a cool feature about posts is that when you click them, they actually get their own page too, and you can comment on them. I've just made a sample one here so that you guys can see it. It's the default WordPress post, but I'm going to show you how to create your own. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the login button on your site, or go to your URL box and go to your website /wp-login.php. Go ahead and hit enter. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your username and password given to you and hit login. Once you've logged into your site, you'll see the back end or dashboard. Yours will look fairly similar, may have a couple differences depending on what you have on your site. There are two ways we can access creating a new post. You can either hover over new and click post, or you can hover over post and hit add new. I'm just going to do that one for now. Once you're in the add new post menu, you can create a title for your post. I'm just going to call this test post. Once you have created that title, you can actually edit the body of the post. So I'm just going to set mine to be, this is a test. The test can be in bold. I'm just going to do that to show you that you can use all this font formatting, and you can even open up the other toolbar and you add even more font formatting. It's a very, very friendly menu to use when creating a post. You can center it too. You can do all the stuff that you could normally do to text. So another thing that you want to know is you can add media. So you can click that and upload files. You can put an image in there if you wanted. And you can add a category, which we'll be doing later in this tutorial, but for now we're just going to post. So let's go ahead and hit publish. You'll see that once the post has been published, you can view it on the home page. So I'll go ahead and press visit site, go back to the main part of my website, and you'll see that on the top here it'll still have our old post there, but it'll now say test post as well, and that is our new one. It says this is a test. This test can be bold, and the text formatting did not come up. However, when we go to its own page, it will show the text formatting, and you can leave a comment as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how you can create categories to sort your posts. So these are both in the uncategorized section, but what we can do is go back into the dashboard, go ahead and hover over posts and go over to categories. Here's where you can create different ways to sort your posts. So let's go ahead and create one. I'll just do an example. It's probably the easiest way to explain it. We'll call this tests. And the slug is it's what the URL friendly name will be. So there's no spaces usually. So we'll just call it tests. And you can put hyphens in there if there were two words, but we're just going to call it tests. And the parent, you can actually put categories inside other categories, but we don't need to do that for this. So we'll just leave it how it is. We're going to go ahead and hit add new category. And you'll see on our categories list, we can see the test category. I'm going to create a second one here so I can show you how to categorize your posts. We're going to go ahead and call this defaults. So just the default post that was already there, the hello world one, we're going to throw that into here. So we'll go ahead and set our slug and hit add new category. You can put a description too. So we have our two categories, and if we go over to our posts, all posts, this will show you a list of your posts. And you can actually, to edit the post, you can hover over it and hit edit. Once you're in there, you can go ahead and scroll down to the categories and throw it in a category. We're going to put it in the defaults category because that's what it was made for. And we're also going to go back to all posts, edit our test post, and we're going to throw this one take it out of uncategorized, and we're going to throw it into the tests category. We're going to go ahead and hit update. Once you've created your categories, you'll wonder, why did I do that? If I go back to my home page, it's just going to show the same things. Like why would I even want to put them in categories? Well, you'll see the categories actually, if you go to the main page of categories, you can actually, they have their own pages. That's why we created the slug. So if you go ahead and hit edit, you can actually, if you go ahead and click the name, you can see, sorry about that. Go back to your home page, click on the post, and you can see what category it is in. So we can hit that test category, and it will show everything in that category. And all the categories have IDs, so that's where you can find the different categories that you're putting your posts in. You might not need to use categories, but it's just a good thing to know. So yeah, that was a pretty short tutorial. If you have any questions on how to add categories, or if I was not clear on anything in the tutorial, don't forget to leave a comment or contact us through the Artistech website, which you can find in the description, artistech.net. And other than that, yeah, just have a great day. Bye.